Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start with a poem. The name of the poem is To Market, To Market. In this poem, there is a little girl who goes to the market, and it is described in the poem that what the little girl does when she goes to the market. This poem is written by Anushka Ravishankar, and she beautifully describes what a little girl does when she goes to the market. So we will have a look at the poem. I'm going to the market with some money in my pocket. My mother has given me lots of change. So now the little girl is telling us that she is going to the market to purchase something. She is having money in her pocket. Her mother has given her some money in the form of change. In the form of change means coins or lower currency. So the girl is telling us that she is having some coins with her that her mother has given to her for purchasing things from the market, and she is going to the market now to spend it anywhere for anything I care for, something funny, nice, and even strange. The little girl is telling us that mother has given me the money so that I can spend that money anywhere. I can purchase anything that I like. I can take anything from anywhere in the market. I can purchase that thing which I like the most. That thing could be funny, or it could be nice, or even I can get a strange thing. Mother will not say me anything because she has given me the money and the freedom to buy anything. I don't know what to get, a cheap and tiny pet, a mouse, a fish, a pigeon, or a cat. Now the girl is confused. She is saying, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to get. I am not aware of what I can purchase with this money. Either I can purchase a cheap means that is less costly, that is not very much costlier. So cheap means that is having less amount of, that requires less amount of money to purchase. So she is saying that a cheap and tiny pet, tiny means small, either I can purchase a cheap and small pet like a mouse or a fish or a pigeon or a cat. I don't know what I can purchase with this money. Or a set of building blocks, a shiny plastic clock, a book, a mug, a bucket, or a hat. Now she's saying, or I can take some playing material, like I can take some games, I can get some games with that money, like a set of building blocks. Can I purchase a set of building blocks? Or can I take a plastic clock for my home that is shiny? Or can I purchase a book or a mug or a bucket or a hat? I am not knowing, I am confused regarding what I can purchase with this money that the mother has given to me. A face mask, odd and weird, a false mustache or beard, a ball, a pot, a basket, or a bun. I don't know whether I can purchase a face mask which is odd and which is strange, which is weird means which is very different and strange. A false mustache or a beard. Mustache and beard means dadi or mooch. So she is saying that whether I can purchase a false mustache or beard, or I can purchase for myself toys like ball or a pot or basket or a bun. I don't know what can I do with this money. As I think and ponder means, as I think, ponder means to think about something very carefully. So as I think and think carefully, I look around and wonder. As I am thinking, I am looking here and there. I look around means I am looking here and there. And I wander, I am wandering means I am walking slowly while looking here and there for everything, so that I can think of something, what can I purchase with the money that mother has given to me. About the market having lots of fun, I am thinking about all the things, I am looking here and there, I am looking for all the things that I can purchase, and I am having lots of fun, I am enjoying a lot while watching these things. Jangle jangle, I am a bangle holding stand. Now I am looking at all the things that are present in the market. So now she is describing us about some things that are present in the market from which she can purchase something for herself. First is, she says, jangle jangle, I am a bangle holding stand. Jangle jangle means she is telling us about the bangles, sound of bangles. She is telling that there is a bangle holding stand that is present in which we can put the bangles, so I can purchase that for me. Nosy, 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 I am a posy, I smell grand. Now, nosy, nosy, nosy here means, she means means that she is relating to some kind of smell, she is relating to some kind of fragrance. I am a posy. Posy means a small bunch of flowers. She says, I am a small bunch of flowers and I smell grand. Grand means I smell, my smell is very important, as flowers give us very beautiful smell. So now a flower is attracting her, group of flowers, a bunch of flowers is attracting her and saying that my smell is very important, so you can purchase me. Faster, 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 I am a rooster, I can fly. Now, the other thing that she sees is a male chicken. Rooster is a male chicken. So, a male chicken is attracting the girl now and saying that I am a male chicken, I am a rooster, and I can fly very fast. Next is creeping, creeping, creeping. I am a peeping, I am a spy. Creeping means to move quietly and carefully, and peeping means looking, and spy means looking secretly. Peeping and spy, peeping means looking secretly, and spy is a person who looks here and there very secretly without letting anybody know that he or she is watching the other person. So, in journal terms, you can say spy is a jasoos. Spy is a jasoos. So now it is defined as creeping, creeping, creeping. I am moving quietly and secretly, I am moving carefully, I am looking here and there very secretly, what can I get, as I am feeling myself as a spy because I am moving very secretly, I don't let anybody know what I will purchase from the money that I am having. Tooty tooty tooty, I am a fruity kind of a dish. Now she's telling us about a sweet that is called as tutti frutti. That is a kind of dish. She is thinking of purchasing the tutti frutti also. Thumping, 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 I am a jumping kind of fish. Now she's telling us about a fish. Thumping means when something, when we throw something in water, the voice that comes is called as thump. So the fishes, when they jump into the water, the voice that comes is called as thumping. So thumping, thumping is describing the voice when the fish jumps in the water. Silly, 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 I am a chilly sort of sneeze. So, when I am looking here and there, when the girl is looking here and there, suddenly she feels cold and she sneeze means cheekna. I am a chilly sort of sneeze means suddenly she feels cold and she sneezes. Funny, 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 I am many, many me's. Now, funny, funny, funny here, she is describing about the mirror. She is describing about mirror. I am many, many me's means she is able to see herself in many pictures, and many pictures means there are so many mirrors, and in all the mirrors she is able to see the picture of herself. That is why she is saying funny, funny, funny. Funny means she can see her funny faces in the mirror. I come back from the market with the money in my pocket. When my mother asks me, so what have you bought? So now she says that I come back from the market without purchasing anything. She has came back to her home from the market with all the money in her pocket. She has not spent any money in purchasing anything because she was confused. When mother asks me, what have you purchased, what have you brought from the market, I give her all the change, I give her all the money back, I give her all the coins back and say, Ma, it's very strange, I wonder how it happened, I forgot. She says to her mother, she gives the money back to her mother and she says, it is very strange, it is very difficult to purchase anything, I was wondering how it happened, I don't know how to purchase the things, I forgot what thing I wanted to purchase, so I came back home without purchasing anything. So from the poem we have seen that market is a very big place, market is a very interesting place where we can find and where we can see many things, but sometimes it happens like we don't understand what thing we have to buy. So this thing also wastes our time, as it tells us that whenever we need to buy something we should think about that thing firstly, and only then we can go to the market and purchase something, because without thinking, if we go to the market we may get allured by all the things that are present in the market, and we may feel that I want this thing also, I want that thing also, so we will end up in not purchasing anything. So make sure to think about the thing first of all and then go and purchase that thing. So this was all about the poem. Now we will do the exercises portion of this poem. See, in the A part, there is answer the following questions. There are some questions given to us, and we have to read the questions and we have to understand and tell the answer of these questions. Like, first one is, what pets does the girl think of buying? As the girl is having money, so what pets does what pets she wanted to buy for herself? How does the girl describe the face mask she wants to buy? She wanted to buy a face mask at one point of time. What was she telling about the face mask? You have to tell this. Third question is, why does the girl call herself a chilly sort of sneeze? What do you think? What happened? So you have to tell about why the girl is telling us about herself as she's a chilly sort of sneeze. What do you think? What happened at that time? What is the girl talking about when she says that she is many me's? Now, when she is telling us about I am many me, so what happened at that time? What is she talking about? Which thing she is talking about? We have to describe that thing. Now, in the think and answer portion, again, there are two questions. First one is, why do you think the girl forgot to buy anything from the market? Why did she return back home without purchasing anything? What happened? You have to tell that. And second is, what sort of marketplace do you think the girl went to? What type of market does the girl went to? You have to describe about the market in your own words. So this was all about the poem. I hope you have enjoyed the poem. Thank you and have a nice day.